Before this display black, full black, and now this is perfect. Great success. If my video helpful for you, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Hello, what's up guys, how are you everyone? I hope everybody is well. In this video I will show you how you can repair your Yaris cluster. You can see display. I will show you how to repair this Yaris cluster display. See, when I try ignition on, in display there is nothing, full black. This is damage. So I will show you how you can repair this display. Okay, first of all you have to remove this one meter. Remove cluster first. See, here I already removed this cluster, and here you can see this display fully damaged, full black. See, here you can see I remove this display full. Okay, and now I will show you how you can repair this. Okay, see, this is full damage, full black. Here is the meter. I remove from here. Okay, so first of all you have to remove this polarized paper here. Then also you can see this is full black. Remove it, this paper, and then clean it properly, this display, with cotton cloth like this. Okay, and then see here, first remove all those glue in front of this display. Okay, now you can see here this is full clean. I already clean it. Okay, and now what you have to do, you have to replace polarized paper, which is this one. Cut it properly and then fix with display like this. Okay, Now I fix it and try. Ignition on, and you can see here display working perfect. Before not working, full black. Now see, everything is clear. Great success. If my video helpful for you, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.